So now let us see what is happening around the India in neighboring. A worker killed in Kulgam terrorist attack. It is very much similar to the Pahalgam, and terrorist attacked on civilian. The security forces will definitely take care of them as soon as possible. The second thing is India has pulled off or for the procurement of Su-57 prioritize for Super Sukhoi upgradation. Take care of security. Now, what has happened in Pakistan? In Pakistan, July is the month which is described as the deadliest month of 2026. Pakistan Institute for Conflict and Security Studies recorded 606 conflicts related deaths in July 2026. It is the highest monthly figure in more than 10 years. And in Punjab, 54 suspected militants arrested. Of course, they will claim that they are linked with India's war as usual. Also, 30 members of US business delegation going to visit Pakistan. They are saying that they are going to discuss mineral, energy, IT, healthcare, manufacturing, blah blah blah. But everyone knows what they are going to discuss. Pakistani army officer killed in North Waziristan operation. Major Hafiz Ehsan Ilahi was killed. 5 suspected militants were reportedly killed in KPK. Balochistan, the graveyard, the new graveyard of so many people. Nushki Balochistan security forces have killed 7 militants. 8 people are also killed in separate incidents. What is happening? It is actually a graveyard for the people, for the Baloch people, let's go to the China. So Xi Jinping expected to visit India for BRICS summit. Wow, this is going something big. So let's see what the result come out from this visit. Also, China conducted military drills near disputed Scarborough Shoal in South China Sea. South China Sea, the bone of next contention like Hormuz, like Red Sea. The South China Sea will become the next bone of contention. Not bone of contention, next problem for the world within 2 years. It won't take a long. Also a good news for India, in Himalayan border trade open. India and China resume traditional border trade after 6 years through Nathula in Sikkim, Shipkila in Himachal Pradesh and Lipulekh Pass in Uttarakhand. So around the China, Taiwan says 5 PLA aircraft and 10 Chinese ships detected. Taiwan's full brigade mobilized begin for Hang Tuang drill. Taiwan's 8th Army Corps began mobilize the 137th Infantry Brigade. Integration more than 1,000 reservists in Hang Tuang exercise. Brigade received US-made M4 A1 rifles. Now, Japan is saying Chinese military researchers using outputs from American AI model to develop smaller domestic system through model digitalization. क्या क्या what China is doing? क्या क्या कर रहा है यार ये? So the main regional pattern is simultaneous engagement. China is reopening trade with India, reinforcing military ties with Pakistan, while increasing maritime pressure near Philippines, maintaining daily military activity around Taiwan. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो गई. इंडिया टाइटन सिक्योरिटी अलॉन्ग विद नेपाल बॉर्डर. एज यू नो कि नेपाल में कम्युनल कुछ राइट्स हुए थे तो उसकी वजह से. एंड ऑल्सो नेपाल एंड चाइना मार्क 71 years ऑफ रिलेशनशिप थैंक्स टू के शर्मा ओली. Bangladesh joins Saudi led maritime security coalition. Now this is going to be tough for Bangladesh. So Bangladesh joined 13 other countries in Saudi led coalition intended to protect shipping through the Red Sea, Bab el Mandeb Strait and Gulf of Aden. Analysts describe Bangladesh participating as a mainly political and economical rather than immediate military deployment. Dhaka depends heavily on these sea routes for export, import and energy supplies. So in Bangladesh, in Nepal, in China, in Pakistan, in India, lots of things happening, but most of the things are not good. Thank you. Bye bye.